Okay, so we're at the third part of this lesson, and we're talking about median. So I'm going to write median up here. When we think about median, I want you to think about middle. So when we're thinking about median, anytime we're looking at median, we want our information to be set up in order. So it's already like that, but I'm going to show you a different way. I can put 0. Then I had another one, 0, 0. Okay, so I got those 3 zeros. Then I have 1, 1, and these are commas in between, 1. And then we have 2, 2, 7, whoa, and 10. Okay, so we have all of these written in a line, and we put them from least to greatest. We want the middle, so median equals middle. And when we're thinking this through, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scores on this side. So I'm going to change the color. And in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in between that, here's the middle of our data. And so we have a 1 on this side, and we have a 1 on this side. And we're thinking about what's in between 1 and 1. Well, there's nothing in between 1 and 1. It would just be the median score would be, right here. The median here would be median equals 1. We'll see in a second that there's some other stuff that we could find, because when we have all these scores together, our median was here. And remember, we were talking about that being the typical score for this. So we'll talk about why you would use median instead of mean. Remember, our mean for this was 2.4. So we'll talk about why that would be. So I'm going to pause this. Close out of that. Now we're looking for this other part where they're talking about travel times. So let's go into that. They ask us for travel times. Get to that page in my notes. They want us to find the median here. So again, we're looking at all the data and we're putting it in order. So we've got 6s, 7, so I can do it again, 6 plus 6, and then 7. Then we have 8, 8, 8. Sorry, I can't write with my mouse right now. 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, and 12. So we're looking at all of these, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 points. So that means that the middle would be in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be somewhere here in between 8 and 9. Okay, so the way that we find median when it's in between two different numbers is we take those two numbers, 8 plus 9, okay? And 8 plus 9 equals 17. And then we divide that by the two numbers, divided by 2. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5, or 8.5. And you can see that in between 8 and 9, if you were right in between that, that would be 8.5. So your median, or the middle, remember median equals middle, would be 8.5 of this travel time. So that means half of the scores are less than 8.5 and half of the scores are greater than 8.5 when we're thinking about travel time. So that is why median has to do with middle.